Okay, if you watch this video like you're supposed to, you will not do all of the work. Okay, we're going to do these first 4 together. And then let's see, so this is us. And then you are going to do these 2 columns. So you're going to do those. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16 problems. Okay, I think you can handle that. I'm just reducing fractions. So the first one, 2 over 4. If we are finding factors of 2, that's 1 times 2. And if you got to 2, 2 times 1 is 2. So those are the only factors. 4, you got 1 times 4, and then you got 2 times 2. And remember, I told you, if you have the same number in the factors as both factors, then that's your sorry, that's your last set. So, biggest numbers are the ones in common, 1s, and 2s. 2 is the biggest. Okay, so we're going to divide both of these by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that is simplest form. Alright, so let's look at 35 over 40. I'm going to do it over here. Alright, factors of 35. 1 times 35. 2 doesn't go into it. 3 doesn't go into it. 4 doesn't. Alright, then you got 5 times 7. 6 doesn't. And then you get 7. So 7 times 5, that just turns it around. Alright, for 40, you got 1 times 40. And there's several of these. 2 times 20. 3 doesn't. 4 times 10. 5 times 8. 6 doesn't. 7 doesn't. And then you get to 8. And 8 times 5 is 40. So it starts turning around then. Alright, so let's find our common factors. You got 1. 35's not here. You got 5. 7's not there. Okay, so the biggest number that goes into both of them is 5. So we're going to divide both by 5. Okay, and now, in order to find out the answer, you can go back here. 35 divided by 5 is that other number, 7. Or you can put it in your calculator. 40 divided by 5 is the other number, 8. Okay, so that's what that simplifies to. Okay, 10 over 16, the next one. Factors of 10, 1 times 10, 2 times 5. There are no other factors of 10. For 16, you got 1 times 16, then you go to 2 times 8, then you go to 3, doesn't work, 4 times 4, and we have the same number, so you're done. Alright, so 1 in common, 2 in common. They don't have a 10, they don't have a 5 in common. So 2 is the biggest number. Go back, divide them both by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And that's in simplest form. Alright, last one. 8 over 36. Okay? Factors of 8. 1 times 8. 2 times 4. 3 doesn't. And then you get back to 4. 36, you got 1 times 1 times 36. 2 times 18. 3 times 12. 4 times 9. 6 times 6. And you can do that in your calculator. Just take 36, say 36 divided by 1, 36 divided by 2, 36 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, until you get a duplicate number or it starts turning around. Okay, so numbers that we have in common, or factors that we have in common. 1s, 2s, there's no 8 here, 4s. Okay, so 4 is the biggest number that goes into both of them. Divide them both by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 36 divided by 4 is 9. And 2 over 9 is simplest form. Okay, so you are going to do only the ones in the box. You do not have to do those. Alright, hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.